Hi everyone, my name is Vandardiansha. I am from class B. Abstract. Abstract. This study investigated the link between parents, educational background, and students' English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. 108 senior high school students were involved in this study. That were that data were collected through parents, educational background questionnaire, and an English test. Descriptive statistics, person product, moment correlation, and regression analysis were employed to analyze data. The results of the person product moment correlation coefficient reflect the parents' educational background significantly correlated with the students' English achievement. Additional, the results of the linear regression analysis indicated that there was a correlation between parents' educational background and students' English achievements. Introduction. Education is essential for the development of society. The more educated the people of a society, the more civilized and well-disciplined the society might be. Education is also a primary need in this era of globalization. Education gives insight, grooms the personality, inculcates more values, aids knowledge, and provides skills for people who will live in a very competitive society. In every field, highly qualified people are needed. However, there are several studies focusing on the problems of education in Indonesia, including who argue that there are some problems of education in Indonesia, including curriculum, budget, quality, purpose of education, national examination, and learning facility. These kinds of problems have influenced the quality of education both in national and in international levels. For example, although since 1995, Indonesia has taken part consistently in every round of trends in international mathematics and science study. The results have not been satisfactory. The results of Indonesian participants in TIMSS have implied that the quality of education should become the responsibility of all parties, including government, school, and family. Family is one of important factors in supporting the education of their children. As a unit of a society, the family is obviously a mere socializing agent, so that it is important in determining the child's motivation to achieve success. Mainly, family has responsibility for socializing children, for making them productive members of society. The more the parents are involved in the process of imparting education to their children, the more the children might excel in their academic career and to become productive and responsible members of society. Additionally, parents' personal educational backgrounds and economic backgrounds have a significant effect on their children's education. It means that parents' educational background plays an important part in their children's education. The education received by the children depends very much on the education that their parents have. However, learning English is not an easy process. There are some problems or difficulties in learning English. In their study, found that the problem in learning English such as teachers' competence, Students lack of English foundation background. Students lack of confidence. Inappropriate curriculum English native speakers and class environment. Some research have previously explored parents, educational background and backgrounds found that parents' educational background was significantly correlated to students' English achievement, though the correlation was weak. Also, Carnegie found that there was a strong correlation between parents' educational background and students' English achievement. Sustainable effect, Akolev and Berner found that a significant achievement found that a significant positive correlation existed between parents' education and students' achievement. It can be positive correlation existed between parents' education and student achievement. Literature review. Parents' educational background refers to parents' highest education. That means the highest level of education attained by parents. International Standard Classification Education from UNESCO has grouped 9 levels of education. They are early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, post-secondary non-tertiary education, short cycle tertiary education, bachelor's or equivalent level, master's of equivalent level, doctoral or equivalent level. Parents with higher levels of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their abilities to help their children learn. Highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skills that contribute to early success in school. Self-harm also at the relationship of parents' education to their children's achievement. Motivation in academic area is meditated by parents. Beliefs and behaviors are likely to be influenced by their educational experiences. How does parental beliefs and behaviors actually influence children? Methodology, research design, and participant. In this study, we used a correlation approach to find out the link between parents' educational background and students' English achievement. The first procedure was we identified the parents' educational background by using educational background questionnaire, and the second procedure was we gave the students of the TOEFL. The next step was and we analyzed the link between the two variables through SPSS based on the results. Step was we analyzed the link between the two variables through SPSS based on the results of the educational background questionnaire and the TOEFL test 108 senior high school. Data collection analysis. In this study, we use questionnaire and a test as the instrument to gather the data concerning the link between parents' educational background and students' English achievement of the 12th grade students at one senior high school in Palembang. Finding discussion. Parents' educational background and students' English achievement. 108 students participated in the study. The descriptive statistical analysis of parents' educational background for the participant indicated that the maximum score was 8 and the lowest score was 1. The mean score of parents' educational background for the participant was 5.05 and the standard deviation was 1588. This mean score indicates that the level of parents' educational background of participants is short cycle tertiary education. It was revealed that from the questionnaire, the 9 levels of parents' educational background were all perceived by the student with the different numbers. Primary education was as the least perceived level and bachelor's or equivalent level was as the most perceived for both father and mother educational background categories. The results of normality test and Likert test. The data were interpreted as a normal one if P 0.05. If P 0.05, it means the data were not normal. Kolmogorov-Smirnov was used to see Kolmogorov-Smirnov was used to see the normality. The results of normality test indicated that the data from each variable were all normal and appropriate for data analysis with coefficients. Correlation between parents' educational background and students' English achievement. Based on the person, product moment correlation coefficient. The result indicated that the pattern of correlation between parents' educational background and students' English achievement was positive. The correlation coefficient are obtained for 420 was higher and a table 176. Then the level of probability significance was, it means that P was lower than, thus there was a significant correlation between parents' educational background and students' English achievement. Conclusion. The current study investigated the correlation between parents' educational background and students' English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Based on the results of the present study, we found that parents' educational backgrounds were significantly correlated with the student English achievement. The category of correlation was fair. Additionally, the linear regression analysis showed the parents' educational background significantly contribution of parents' educational background and students' English achievement showed a significant link, although the contribution was small, suggesting that there were other factors that could contribute to their students' English achievement, such as schools, teachers, friends, and environment. Baik, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.